Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect a GoDaddy domain to GitHub Pages. Alright, let's begin. First, log into GitHub and open the project you want to connect. Click on Settings in the top right corner, then scroll down and find Pages. Remove any existing custom domain to start fresh. Now, log into your GoDaddy account. Click on your profile, go to My Products, and select the domain you want to connect. Copy the domain name. Go back to GitHub and enter it under Custom Domain. Click Save. GitHub will now check for the domain name servers, but since we have not added them yet, we need to do that next. In GoDaddy, go to DNS Management and add the required DNS records. Go back to GitHub's documentation under Managing a Custom Domain for GitHub Pages and find the section on Configuring an Apex domain. Here, you will find 4A records. Copy the first one, return to GoDaddy, and add it as an A record. Repeat this step for all 4A records. Next, add a CNAME record. Enter www as the name and your GitHub username followed by GitHub.io as the value. Click Save. Return to GitHub Pages, refresh the page, and wait a few minutes. Once the DNS check is successful, your website will be live. Enable HTTPS after the SSL certificate is issued. So, that's basically how you can connect a GoDaddy domain to GitHub Pages. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.